What's up, team Fullest? This is again Amy Fullest. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So guys, excuse the noise, the echo. I'm in the bathroom and I actually opened the window because you guys can see my face. My body is steaming. It is pretty hot, and yeah, I just have to open the window. I want to do a quick sleek hairstyle. I did condition on my hair yesterday and I just want to do a quick sleek, but I haven't moisturized my hair, so I'm going to moisturize my hair. I have few moisturizer lying down here. I have this one, which I really like, and then I have this one. I also have this Shea Moisture styling lotion, which I also have, and I also have this Contour curling cream, this one as well. So I'm just going to be diving into whichever I want to use. I'm first going to take this one because my hair is dry. This one gives you 72 hours of moisturization. Yes, I'm just going to moisturize this into the hair. Yes, moisturize. It's so hot. It is pretty hot right now in Holland. So yeah, you don't really want to do too much. You will moisturize everywhere. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this herb mixture that I have here. I'm just going to spray my hair just a little bit. Just a little bit, and I'm also going to take a little bit of this moisturizer because this is my favorite. So now that my hair is a little bit wet, it's much more easier to manipulate. So you guys can see it's soaked. Now it's easier. Just like everywhere to be. Whew. I'm feeling so hot. My face is shining like nobody's business. I'm just going to take this comb, just going to try to comb my hair all back. Even though I'm not going for all back hairstyle, but let's just comb it first all back. I want like a middle part slick with my TWA to see if this is going to work for me. I feel like the line is not that straight, and also my hair is very short, so it's kind of like a little bit difficult to give it a straight line. I'm gonna take this brush. I'm just gonna try to brush everything down. I feel like this is good. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a hair mousse. Oh, my face is shining like nobody's business. I'm going to take this hair mousse. also at the back, because you want everything. So lay it down smoothly. Yes. Where is the next one? So now that we put that, I'm just gonna try and brush. Make sure everything laid down very smoothly. Everything is laying down pretty good. As you guys can see at the back, close the window because the card, so you guys can see the back is laying down pretty nice, which I like. I like when the side is a little bit flatter. Let's see if I can play around with my baby hair. I'm just gonna put a little bit of hair mousse into my hands because I don't really use gel. Yeah, like that's okay. I like this part. I feel like it's good. I'm just gonna take the excess mousse. I'm just gonna put it on my hair. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna take this towel, put it around my neck because I don't want this spray. I'm going to take the GOT2B spray. I'm almost out of there. I still have a little bit more. I'm going to take that. I'm just going to spray it around just so that the hair will not have like frizz. I don't know if it's me, but I feel like this part is not showing too much. You know how the edges will never be the same? But just gonna leave it like that. So I'm going to take the GOT2B spray. Let's first spray here and see how it comes. hair. So now I'm just going to take this brush and just smooth it down so that the products can go into the hair. Wash my hands. I feel like it's looking good. Tell me what you guys think. So now I'm just going to tie my hair. I'm just going to take a hair tie. I'm just going to tie my head like this. So I'm just going to tie it like this, and I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished result. So please Team Fullest, this is the finished result with my sleek back. Yes, this is what it's looking like. Okay, tell me what you guys think. I didn't put a lot of gel. I didn't put the spray here because I didn't want it to touch my skin. So this is what it's looking like. It's not that really hard. It's a little bit soft because I didn't put gel. It's just a spray. So guys, this is what my sleek is looking like. So tell me what you guys think. This is a quick makeup look tutorial, and tell me what you guys think of the makeup and the outfit. I really like this hairstyle. It's very beautiful, very chic, very natural. I really like it. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment box, and I hope to see you guys very soon on my next video. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Peace out. Bye.